First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to learn lesson number 1, introduction about the topic LCM, which is called as least common multiple. So friends, before learning this topic, you should know one thing. If you are preparing for any college campus interview, or else if you are preparing for any competitive exams in quantitative aptitude section, definitely you can able to see minimum one question from the topic LCM as well as from the topic HCF. There are two topics, right? One is LCM and second is HCF. Always remember that these two topics, it's not new for us, because these two topics we have already learnt in the schooling itself. While we are studying 5th standard itself, our teachers have taught this, how to find an LCM for the number, how to find an HCF for a number. But if you are a CBSE student, one thing you should know, for finding an LCM of a number, there are two methods. One is a factorization method and second is a long division method. Most of the time for finding an LCM of a number, we have learned the long division method. Putting a big L, and inside that L we will put all the numbers and we will find an LCM for the number. But if you are a CBSE student, then you might have learned the factorization method also, right? So these two methods are the methods we find how to find an LCM for the numbers. But remember one thing, if you are going for a competitive exams, you should know all these four methods: a traditional method, factorization method, long division method, and finally a shortcut method. There is a shortcut method to find an LCM for the numbers. So here in this video, I am going to teach you all the method, how to use the traditional method to find the LCM for the number. As well as these two methods we have learnt in the schoolings, it's okay. I can teach you again how to find the LCM by using a factorization method and a long division method. And finally, I will be teaching you how to find an LCM for the numbers by using a shortcut method. So kindly don't drag the video to the last and see how to find the shortcut method. Please don't do that. If you are preparing for competitive exams or college campus interview, always remember you have to learn all these four methods, right? Only then you know how to apply and where to apply and which question you need to apply which method. So that's the reason I am saying learn the shortcut method, but you should know all these four methods. Got it? So let me move on to the traditional method, how to find an LCM for the number. So now let me move on to the first method, that is a traditional method. So traditional method, how to find an LCM for the number, that is 8, 12, 6, 4. So usually the traditional method is very simple, but it's lengthy process. See, what we need to find is least common multiple. So in the word itself we have a clue, least common multiples, right? We have to see all the multiples of the numbers. Just see what the number they have given is: 8, 12, 6 and 4. Just write down all the multiples of the numbers. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, got it? 32, it goes on. Got it or not, right? Got the logic? We are writing a multiples. 1 8s are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, it goes on, right? 38, etc. So similarly, write the multiples for 12. So 1 12s are 12, 2 12s are 24, 3 12s are 36, 4 12s are 48. So similarly, it goes on, right? 1 6 are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 36, it goes on. Similarly, 4, 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 28, 32. Similarly, it goes on. This is called as a multiples of the number. So what we need to find here is least common multiple. Out of these all multiple, which number is common? Just listen carefully. If I take number 16, number 16 is common in the multiple of 8, as well as number 16 is common in the multiple of 4. But 16 is not common in 12 and 6. Yes or no? Right? So this is the number what they have given. Got it? So we have written all the multiples here. You can able to see 16 is common in the multiple of 8. 16 is common in the multiple of 4. But the number 16 is not common in 12 and 6. So 16 is not an LCM. Let me take any other number. When you take the number 24, listen here, 24, got it? 24, got it, 24 and 24, got it or not? So in all these numbers where 24 is common, yes, so least common multiples, out of these multiple the common number is 24 and that is the least multiple, got it or not, right? 16 is not common, so we are not taking 16 as LCM. So 24 is the number which is least and common in all the four multiples. So we are saying that LCM for this number is 24. Got it, friends? So this is the way, this is the traditional method where we find LCM of the numbers. If the numbers are huge, for example 144, 198, 316, in those scenarios using a traditional method is useless. Yes or no? 194 multiple? No way. If we are weak in mathematics, we can't able to write 194 into 2, 194 into 3, 194 into 4. That is not possible. So only we are saying that you should know how to find an LCM by a traditional method, but you should not apply this in any competitive exams. It's completely waste. No, now you would have understood how to find an LCM for the number by a traditional method. Got it? So in the word itself we have a clue, least common multiple. Out of these multiples we need to find which number is least and also which number is common out of all these four. Got it? So finally we got LCM for the number is 24 by the traditional method. So next method how to find an LCM is the factorization method. So factorization method is actually a lengthy process because you need to find, let me take an example question. So find LCM for 8, 12, 6 and 4. Just see, we need to factorize each and every number. For example, first let me take 8. We have to factor this. Just see, divide by 2. Got it? 4 2s are 8. Divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. Again divide by 2, 1. So until we get 1, we have to factorize it. So now how to write this? Just see here, all are 2s here, right? We have divided every number by 2. How many 2s are here? 1, 2, 3. Totally we have 3 2s. So this can be written as 2 power 3. Got it or not? So similarly you need to calculate for all the remaining numbers. So second number is 12. So again factorize this. So first always you need to start with the smaller number 2. Got it? 6 2s are 12. Again by 2. 3 2s are 6. So by 3. So 1. Got it? So now how many 2s we have is 2. So this can be written as 2 square because we have 2 2s, right? So 2 square and only 1 3. So this can be written as 3 power 1. Got it? In case if you are getting 3 3s, 3 power 3. If you are getting 2 3s, then 3 power 2. Got it or not? So similarly you need to factorize the next number 6. So factorize by 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 1. So this can, we have only 1 2 and 1 3 here. So this can be written as 2 power 1 and 3 power 1. Got it? So next number is 4. So 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1. So finally how many 2s we have is 2 2s, that is 2 square. Got it? So finally we have factored each and every number. And how to find an LCM is, first let me see the smallest number 2. Right? We in this all these 4 cases we have a number 2 and we need to pick only the highest power. 2 power 3, 2 square, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. So out of all the 2 powers, which is the highest? Only 2 power 3 is highest. So we need to take 2 power 3. Next number 3 power 1, 3 power 1, which is highest? Only one number that we have is 3. So this should be written as 3. So finally 2 cube will be 8. 8 into 3 will be 24. So finally we can say that LCM for the number is 24. Got the logic or not? How I found? So just see here friends, factorization method is a lengthy process. So what you need to do here is, you need to take each number and you need to factorize until it gets 1. You can see first I have took number 8. Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. So finally I am writing this as 2 power 3. So this can be written as 2 square into 3. 2 power 1, 3 power 1, 2 square. So finally after finding all the factors, the last step is you need to pick the highest number, highest power. Got it? So first we have 2, right? Out of these 2, the highest power is 2 power 3. So I have to 2 power 3. So next is 3 power 1, 3 power 1 is common. So I have to 3 power 1. In case if one is 3 power 1, another is 3 power 2. Which number you have to take is 3 power 2. Always take the highest number. Got it? So 2 power 3 will be 8. 8 into 3 will be 24. So finally LCM for the number is 24. So I hope some students can't able to understand it. That's the reason I have taken another example here. 12 comma 8 comma 15. So we need to find the factors, right? First what you need to do is take the number 12 divided by 2. Don't directly divide by 4. Always you need to start with the smaller numbers, right? Divide by 2. So this can be written as 6 2s are 12, divide by 2, 3 2s are 6, divide by 3, 1. So how to write this? 2 power 2 into 3. Got it? So next will be 8. So this can be written as 2, 4 2s are 8, 2, 2 2s are 4, 2, 1. So this can be written as 2 cube. Last is 15. You can't divide this by 2, starts with 3. So 5 into 3 will be 15, 5 and 1. So this can be written as 3 into 5. So got it? So now we need to find the LCM. First what you need to target is the number 2. So number 2 we have 2 square, 2 cube, which is highest power here. 2 cube is highest. So this can be written as 2 cube. Next number is 3. So 3 power 1, 3 power 1. Again, if it is 3 square, we have to take 3 square. But here 3 power 1, 3 power 1, same number, take it as 3. Only one number remaining, that is 5. So 2 power 3 will be 8 into 3 into 5. So this can be written as 8 into 3 will be 24. So 24 into 5 will be 120. So 120 will be the LCM for this number. Got it or not? Right? So this is the way where we find the LCM by using a factorization method. So friends, again this factorization method is a lengthy method. Even when compared to the traditional method, this factorization method is lengthy. Anyway, we have to learn the factorization method also, because by seeing this much lengthy, who will use this in competitive exams? No one will use in competitive exams, right? So don't use this in the competitive exams, but better learn this, how to find an LCM. That is enough. So now let me move on to the next method, that is a long division method. So next is the long division method. I think I don't want to teach this long division method because everyone might have learned this long division method in the schooling itself, right? What usually the long division method is, we will put a L like this and we will write all these numbers 8, 12, 6, 4. But even though we have learned this in the schooling, still some students will make a mistake. In order to find an LCM, they always starts with the 4 or they starts with 8. Don't do that. Always starts with the smaller number 2. Only then you will get the exact LCM of the number, right? So start with 2 always. So 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again go with 2. So 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, again 3, 1 2s are 2. So again go with 2, 1 2s are 2, 3 comma 3. So go with 3 here. So 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1. Until we get 1, we have to divide, right? So finally we got 2 into 2 will be 4. 4 into 2 will be 8. 8 into 3 will be 24. So finally LCM for the number is 24. Got it or not, right? So even though we have learned all these in the schoolings, remember one thing, still some students are making a mistake like starting from 4, starting from 8. Kindly don't do that. We need to start from 12 and then, we need to start from 2 and then 3 and then 5 and then 7. Only if you go with the process, we will get the exact LCM. Got it? So second, find the LCM for 12, 8, 15. So again by long division method, so 12, 8, 15. So start with 2 here, 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 15, right? Again go with 2, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 15. Go with 2, 3 2s are 6, 1, 15. Now with 3, 1 3s are 3, 1, 5 3s are 15. So finally go with 5, 1 comma 1 comma 1. Right? So until we get 1 comma 1 comma 1, we have to solve it. So now we need to multiply all these numbers. So 2 into 2 will be 4, 4 into 2 will be 8, 8 into 3 will be 24, 24 into 5 will be 120. So finally LCM for the number is 120. Right? So this is one of the important method. Usually every student who knows shortcut, sometimes even though you know shortcuts, every trick, but sometimes for the bigger numbers we have to use this long division method, no other way. So always learn this long division method. Even though you know the shortcut, for 90% of the question you can apply the shortcut, but there might be some exceptional cases. In those scenarios, shortcut method will not be helpful. Traditional method is a long process. Factorization method, that too it's very long. You know, only this long division method help you to find the LCM for 100% of the numbers. So learn this long division method, practice more number of questions, so only then you can able to find easily how to find an LCM in the long division method, right? So finally let me move on to the shortcut method now. So next is the shortcut method. So here I have taken 4 example question and I am going to find how to find the LCM by a shortcut method. So remember one thing, shortcut method is very simple and easy, but it requires more practice, right? So at least after watching this video, just take any numbers, a minimum of 50 to 60 question, at least 50 question, and find an LCM by using the shortcut, because it requires more number of practice, right? So first 8, 12, 6 and 4, we need to find an LCM. So first step what you need to do is check whether there is any prime number or not. There is any prime number here? No prime number here. In case if there is a prime number, I will teach you what to do. But here we don't have any prime numbers. Step number 2, you have to see which number is highest. Which number is highest? 8, 12, 6 and 4. Which number is highest here? The number 12 is highest. Got it? So first take that number and check whether this number, right, the 12 is divisible by all the remaining numbers or not. 12 divided by 4, yes, it is divisible. 12 divided by 6 is 2, yes, it is divisible. 12 divided by 8, no, it is not divisible. Yes or no, right? Just see here, 12 divided by 4 is 3, right? So 12 divided by 6 is 2. But 12 divided by 8 is a fraction. No, it is not divisible. So we are saying that the number 12 is not an LCM for the number. Next step, you need to multiply the 12 by 2, right? So 12 into 2 is 24. So now check this 24 is divisible by all the remaining numbers. So 24 divided by 4 is 6. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 24 divided by 8 is 3. So finally, the number 24 is divisible by all the numbers. So we are saying that number 24 is the LCM for this number. Got it or not, right? So first step what you need to do is, you need to check whether there is any prime number in the question. No, there is no prime number. So next step, you need to take the largest number among the given numbers. So here 8, 12, 6 and 4, which is the largest? 12 is the largest. So first take the number 12 and check whether the number 12 is divisible by the remaining numbers. So 12 is divisible by 4, 12 is divisible by 6, but 12 is not divisible by 8. So 12 is not the LCM. What should be the next step? You need to multiply 12 into 2. So 12 into 2 will be 24. So now 24 is divisible by all the remaining numbers. So we are saying that 24 is the LCM. Got it or not? So let me move to the another examples. So 12, 6, 24 and 8. Is there any prime numbers? No, no prime number is here. Next step what you need to do? You need to concentrate on the biggest number. So biggest number is which? 24. So you need to write 24 here and check whether this 24 is divisible by all the remaining numbers. 8 into 3, 24. Yes or no? 24 by 8 will be 3. 24 by 6 is divisible. 24 by 12 is divisible. So finally, the number 24 is divisible by all the numbers. So we are saying that 24 will be the LCM for question number 2. Got it? So question number 3, 12, 3 and 9. Right? So here we don't have any prime numbers. Which is the largest number here? Largest number is 12. Right? So now check whether number 12 is divisible by remaining numbers. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 12 divided by 9, no, it is wrong. So 12 is divisible by 3, but 12 is not divisible by 9. What should be the next step? You need to multiply by 2. So 12 into 2 will be 24. Now check 24 is divisible by remaining numbers. 24 is divisible by 3. 24 is not divisible by 9. Again 24 is not an LCM. So 12 ones are 12, not divisible. 12 into 2, 24. 24 is also not an LCM. 12 into 3 is 36. Now 36 is divisible by 3. 36 is divisible by 9. So we are saying that LCM for the number is 36. So friends, understood, right? First I have checked whether 12 is divisible or not. 12 is not divisible by 9. So 12 is not an LCM. 12 into 2, 24. 24 is again not divisible by 9. So 24 is not the LCM. 12 into 3, 36. Yes, the number 36 is divisible by 3. Number 36 is divisible by 9. So we are saying that 36 is the LCM. Got it? Easy. Now the last number is 3, 11 and 12. What is the LCM for it? Just listen here. Here you can able to see, is there any prime number? Yes. What is the prime number here? 11 is the prime number. So what you need to do is keep the 11 separately, right? Now you don't want to concentrate this number 11. So now find the LCM for 3 and 12. You don't want to care about the prime number 11. So 3 and 12, which is the biggest number here? Number 12. So number 12 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes. Number 12 is divisible by 3. So for 3 and 12, the LCM is 12. So write 12 here. So this becomes 132. Yes, 132. So 132 will be the LCM for this number. So friends, understood how I wrote? Just see, if there is any prime number, right? First write the prime number here, and you don't want to consider the prime number here, right? You need to take the LCM for the remaining numbers. So 3 and 12, the LCM will be 12. Finally multiply with 11, what we take initially the prime number. So 12 into 11 will be 132. So finally answer will be 132. Understood or not? So friends, this is the shortcut way to find the LCM of the numbers. Again I am saying, by just watching these 4 numbers, you can't able to find the LCM easily. It requires more and more number of practice. Only if you practice minimum of 50 questions, you can able to find the LCM by the shortcut method. So take your notes, try to write any 5 numbers or 6 numbers, 3, 4 numbers like this, and try to find the LCM. Got it? So that's it about this lesson number 1 introduction. I hope that I have taught you what is called as LCM and how to find an LCM in the 4 different ways. So remember one thing, traditional method will not be helpful, factorization method will not be helpful, but we have to learn that. The major and important method is the long division method. 100% of the question where long division method, we can find the LCM. And second is the shortcut method. So always for even for medium numbers, for example 60, 70, 74, 80, for those scenarios itself we can able to use the shortcut method. If the numbers are 168, 392, so in those scenarios we have to use the long division method. Right? Once you practice more, you might be easily understanding which method where to use. Got it? So that's it about this video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for any competitive exams or college campus interviews, right? So thank you very much and thanks for watching this video. Bye.